I'm Jess and welcome to Jess Science, Science for Everyone. Today we're going to be looking at how to make your own lava lamp. To do this, you're going to need oil, water, a container, and something that fizzes when you put it in water, like an Alka Seltzer tablet. Step one is to take your oil, and you're going to fill most of your container with the oil. So I'll just do that here. On this one, there we go. All right, we'll do a little bit more. Next step is to take your water and pour it on top. And I want you to make a prediction. What do you think is going to happen? Is it going to mix? Is it going to sit on top of the oil? Is it going to sit down below? Let's find out. So you can see as I'm pouring it, it's going through the oil and making bubbles, but it's settling down below. And that's because oil and water have different densities and they don't mix. So for the first thing, for density, it's how compact it is. And the water is more compact than the oil. And in terms of not mixing, water molecules are attracted to each other, but not to oil. So you always get that separation here. Now, if I add a bit of food coloring, and I'll add some red here, which one do you think it's going to stick to? Let's find out. I'll add a little bit of red. There we are. And it's gone through the oil over there to the water. Perfect. That has a nice mix there. All right, now the next step is to add what's going to make it bubble. And so we'll add a little bit more of this food coloring here. Don't mind my red stained hands. Just a little bit more here. There we go. Perfect. So when I put this Alka Seltzer tablet in water, and I'll do a little bit here, it starts fizzing, and that's because it's producing carbon dioxide gas. So let's see what happens when I put it into our lava lamp here. So it's gone through the oil, down to the bottom with the water, and then now it is producing that carbon dioxide gas and fizzing up, and we're getting those water molecules that are mixed with our food coloring going up. Gets to the top, and the gas inside those bubbles bursts and goes out into the air, meaning the water falls back down again. So we're getting this beautiful lava lamp effect. It's pretty cool. How a real lava lamp works is usually the lamp heats it up, so it heats up that liquid inside, and that heat causes it to become less dense and rise. But then, as it gets further and further away from the heat, it cools down and goes back down again. So this one isn't going to last as long as a regular lava lamp, but it's a pretty cool way to try it out at home. And that's been Jess Science. Thanks for watching. Bye!